Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm about to show you guys how you can permanently delete your Wix website. So the first thing over here that you have to do is you have to get to Wix and get to the manage page of Wix. And once you get there, you have to choose and select the website that you want to delete, and in there in the home screen, select your website and next to it choose site options. Once you move to site options, select move to trash, and then again select move to trash. And once you do that, the next thing that you have to do is you have to go to account settings and then choose your website in the trash. Okay, so you have to get to trash for that, and then choose remove site and then hit on remove. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing and helpful content like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.